Want a quick and easy way to get more of your guests following your content on social media? My name's Rev Ciancio, and I'm both a restaurant owner and a hospitality marketing consultant. I'm working with Google to tell you about features that your restaurant can use to grow your business. You're going to love this. You invest a ton of time creating engaging content, beautiful food photos, exciting limited time offers, exclusive events and videos, and showcasing the incredible dining experience you offer. But after all that effort, the goal is clear. Get as many eyes on it as possible, right? Good news, in addition to adding all of that content to your business profile, there's a way to get more people to your social media from your business profile, and you won't believe how easy it is. All you have to do is add the links to your social media profiles to your Google business profile. That's it. This allows your guests to more easily discover and follow your social media profiles to showcase more of what makes your brand special and why people might want to come dine with you. In addition to sending people to your social channels, your most recent social media posts from platforms like Facebook and Instagram and Twitter can now reach a wider audience by appearing when people search for your business on Google. Want to know how to do it? It's easy. I'll show you. Number 1, go to your business profile and click Edit Profile. Number 2, you will see a pencil icon next to social profiles where you can add, edit, or remove social links. And number 3, add them in and click Save. That's it. Want to learn more? Go to Google's support page for restaurants for step-by-step directions and many other features. Link in the comments.